Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video I'm going to change the turn signals on my 2020 Toyota Corolla once again, because the one which I changed before started hyperflashing after a few days. So I came up with the new ones, which is from Oxylite. I bought it from Amazon. Link of this product I will provide in the description of this video. Do check it out. These are for $30 plus taxes. The problem with the previous one was that when I installed them, I just ran the 4 flashers. In that time it was not hyper flashing. When I turned right signal on, it was hyper flashing because there was a wattage difference. So this time I figured it out, like these lamps are of exact wattage which the stock lamps have. The stock turn indicators in Toyota Corolla have 21 watts of power consumption. So same are these LEDs. So before you buy any LED, converting any LED, just make sure you check the wattage of the stock lamps, and accordingly you can buy the LED one. So before further ado, let's do an unboxing, then install it. This product has a good reviews on Amazon. It has like 4.4 out of 5. This is 7440. It has like 6 LEDs on each side, 6 into 424, and 2 at the top. Okay. So before we change, I will turn off the indicators. Fits nicely. Let's check it out. No hyper flashing. Left are already LEDs, so the front right side we changed. Let's check the intensity also. You can see it's quite bright. Now I will compare it with the old one. Looks like same. So these are the final LEDs which I will recommend to you guys. The link of this product is given in the description of this video. Do check it out. I hope this will help you out in doing the same. Thanks for watching. God much bless all. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.